Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 71, Children. Excuse me. This is a very interesting lateral thinking puzzle, as most of them have been, I think, if you've seen them. Let's see how you go with this one. Mr. and Mrs. Smith are parents to 4 boys. Each of these boys has one sister. How many family members make up the Smith family? A clue will be given on the next slide. So please be patient. Try and solve it yourself. It's simple mathematics. And in about 2 minutes, I will go to the next slide and I'll give you the clue. So please be patient and try and do it yourself, because if you get it out, it's extremely satisfying. Okay, I wonder how you went with this simple mathematical problem. Okay, here we go with the clue. You might have already got it, so you don't need the clue, but if not, this could help you. Here we go. So there's the same problem up the top there, and here's the clue. Concentrate on the second sentence. I repeat, concentrate on the second sentence, and the answer is on the next slide. I know you'll try and solve this if you haven't already, and I'll give you the answer in about 1 minute. Okay, here we go. I wonder how you went. The answer is 7. So there are 7 members in the Smith family. Now, how is that? Well, you remember you have Mr. Smith and Mrs. Smith. They had 4 boys. Here they are. Doesn't matter about their names. Boy, 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 boy. I said that each of these boys has one sister. There she is there. She is the sister to each of those boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 family members in the Smith family. I wonder how you went with this one. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide. I hope you're enjoying these puzzles. I'll be uploading them daily.